Finding your recorded shows on Xumo Box is straightforward. Start by navigating to the Library tab on the Xumo Box interface or the companion mobile app. Your recordings are stored in the cloud, allowing access across multiple devices like phones, tablets, and TVs. You can search for shows by title, genre, or date. Use filters like recently recorded or watch later to quickly locate what you're looking for. If a recording is missing, check if you've exceeded the 500-hour storage limit or if the recording has expired, as shows typically last 90 days on the free tier. Make sure your Xumo Box is connected to the internet to access your Cloud DVR. Xumo Box uses a Cloud DVR system, meaning your recordings are saved on Comcast's cloud servers, not on a local device. To record a show, select it from the program guide and choose Record. The recording is then stored in your library. A key feature is multi-device synchronization, which ensures your recordings are available on your Xumo Box, mobile apps, and web portal. Keep in mind some limitations. Content availability depends on licensing, and you can't fast forward through ads in recordings. Ensure you have a stable internet connection of at least 10 Mbps for HD streaming. Think of the library as a virtual shelf and use the Save feature to prevent automatic deletion of important recordings.